Hey everyone, welcome to this quick demo showcasing the end-to-end testing tool I'm building. Just a heads up, this is a very early prototype, so you will see some rough edges and half-baked UI elements from past experiments. My main goal is just to show how the core workflows connect and bring the idea to life. I'm using a to-do application as my subject for this demo, so let's jump in and start recording. First, I'll add a new item. Instantly you can see the tool analyzing my interaction and recognizing it as an add to-do item action. Let's take a deeper look. The tool not only spots the action, but also tracks its consequences. For example, a new item appears in the list, and the footer shows up. By the way, I didn't provide it with any context in advance. The recorder is building an understanding of the app as we go. Let's add another item, and watch the tool in action again. It detects the addition, notes that there are now 2 items left, and more impressively, it recognizes that this is the same type of action as before. Next, I'll mark the first item as complete. After the analysis, you will see how well the recorder understands the business logic. It picks up that a specific task is completed, updates the count accordingly, and even notices that the clear completed button becomes active, a detail that you might overlook otherwise. Finally, I clear out the completed items. That completes our user flow. Now I stop the recording and save this as a scenario. But before replaying it, let's check out the most important artifact the tool created in the background. Switching over to the Page Objects panel, you will see all the elements the tool recognized during recording. When I hover over a page object, the actual element gets highlighted on the page. Drilling down, each page object comes with an automatically chosen locator and a list of actions and effects recorded. The tool provides smart defaults by design. Right now, you can only accept or discard its suggestions, but in the MVP, you will have full control. Rename page objects and actions, define parameters, pick your own locators, and so on. Next, I replay the full scenario just to verify that everything works. As it runs, you'll see the progress on the left, with each step highlighted as they are executed. Okay, the scenario replayed perfectly. Now let's see the final output, the part I hope you've been waiting for. Here's the playwright code generated from our recording. This feature is still in early stage, but notice how closely the code mirrors the page object model. Actions like testpage.newToDo input that add to-do item use the same intuitive names what we set up before. The tool even picks out and injects parameters like the item name on its own. The recorded effects will be turned into simple assertions using the page object model as well. This is how I want to enable you creating high-quality end-to-end tests at recording speed while giving you full control over the test code and the page object model. You could continue using the recorder to expand and refine your page objects and capture new scenarios. When it comes to more complex cases, you could jump into your favorite code editor, import the generated POM, and write your own scenarios using the full power of Playwright. So that's the core workflow. There's still a lot to do, but I hope you can see the potential. I'd love your feedback and ideas. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.